In this video, we're going to look at how to create a post on a personal LinkedIn page. Posting on LinkedIn is obviously really important as it can build relationships and conversations with your connections. Plus, it can position you as a thought leader in your sector if you share relevant and interesting content. But the quality of what you post is key. It's definitely quality over quantity on LinkedIn. So it's much better to post something super interesting, say once a week, than post daily or several times a day and dilute that quality. Your content on LinkedIn should be thought-provoking. Obviously, if it's relevant and of interest to your connections, they're much more likely to engage with you. And obviously, content you post can be content that you've created, or it can be sharing posts or articles from other sources or feeds giving your view on this. And as you scroll down, you can obviously see a mixture of people doing that, and that's absolutely what you can actually do. So let's have a look at how to post. So it's obviously really easy, very similar to other feeds. You click start a post up here. Now, if I go back, you can, if you've got a particular photo or a video or an article you want to actually publish on LinkedIn, or if you're actually posting a job, which obviously LinkedIn's a great place to actually find new team members, you can actually click one of these to add that right from the start if you know that's going to be a focal point or a purpose of your post. But I'm going to click start a post. Now, what I've actually done is pre-copied a post just here. So what I'm actually sharing here is a link to a maybe article or blog. Now, when you post, as with other social media feeds or platforms, you should lead in with something that's obviously going to try to grab the attention. So maybe a question, a punchy headline, or just something. So I actually led in here by using a question, but a question that obviously is very much relevant to what the post is actually about. And then I've obviously gone on to say what the post actually is. And my call to action is obviously for people to click the link and go and have a look at the article. And then I've added a number of hashtags that are relevant to the post itself. Now, because I've added a link, obviously it's generated this link preview, which I'm more than happy with on this post. And then you can actually select with the settings just here who can actually comment, etc. But I'm not going to actually play around with that. You can obviously play around with the settings here as well to set who you want to actually see the post. But again, I'm happy that it goes to everyone. So once you're happy with the content of your post, you literally just click post. And that's it. It's obviously super simple. Some ideas about what to post. You could post articles you've written, maybe articles that you've read that you think will be of interest to your connections, maybe updates about what you're doing in your role. As I've done there, posts from your company page or blog. Statistics relevant to your sector, maybe something you regularly do for customers without selling too much, but just describe what you've done. So, a bit of an update about what you're doing. But that's just a few ideas as to what you can actually post on LinkedIn. So I hope that's been useful. If you've got any questions, please use the blue chat button inside Maybe, as it connects you to us 24/7, and we love to help. If you'd like to know more about LinkedIn or any other social media topics, use the search facility in our video hub and you'll find lots of videos on different things, and I'll see you on another video soon.